Well, Mike again with the 1977 GMC Royale. I just filmed removing the water heater, but footage is lost forever. We're going to take out the outside of the heater, and hopefully that will come out just as easily as the water heater. All it was is remove the rivets around the outside and it slid right out. Here we go. Alright, that's going to require a putty knife, I think. Bear with me. All right, elephant in the room. I know all you keyboard warriors are tapping away. Where's your safety glasses? Oh my God. Well, this is the real world. Safety third. I do have my safety Crocs. Here we go. Oh, look at that. There's a little screw right there. Okay, one more tool. All right, here we go. Hey, look at that. Lovely. Okay. I think we got it out. Let's go check. Let's go for a little walk. Yeah. Have to look at my mug. Sorry about that. All right. Here we go. Back inside the motorhome. There's our lovely hole where our water heater was. Just crimp those lines off and cut them. Here's here's my heater. There we go. Let's say we got it. Gotta do a little cleanup in here. All right, I like it. Next up, all this 120 wiring needs to be pulled out. Walls need to be pulled down. And then we can start ripping up the floor for replacement. Yeah, all right, catch you later.